Hi guys, Casey Sanguins here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you the Springdale 267 rear lounge. Come around this side real quick, we'll show you. You got a nice full pass-through storage. Got the door open on the other side so you can see all the way through. Right up here at the front you've got all of your connections, very easy to get to for your fresh water and your city water. Of course, got a nice big slide on this one. We can walk around the back and make our way inside. This unit does have a ladder on the back of it, so it's very easy to get up on the roof, do all of your inspections and any maintenance you may have to do up there. Very nice. Of course, your spare tire in the back where it's easy to get to, and your power here on the back, so you can go either way very easily when you're plugging your coach in. Of course, you've got a nice full-length power awning, outside speakers, so you can have some nice ambient music playing while you're out. This is a rear lounge, so you've got the nice rear seats back here in the back, and the big window that everybody loves. Back it up to the coast, back it up to the creek or the lake, and you've got all that great view. A lot of nice windows around, a lot of nice storage above the sofa here. The sofa is a full pull-out hide-a-bed, so nice extra sleeping and seating area as well. You've got a nice large U-shaped dinette with a freestanding table, so if you need extra counter space while you're cooking, very easy to move that around. Plus you can pull it out, or when it makes down into a bed, it's very large, so even a taller person can fit there. Moving over to the kitchen, nice big double door fridge and freezer, plenty of room for all your goodies. Of course, the 3-burner stove with the oven, stainless steel accent, stainless steel microwave. Good counter space, nice big sink, big double sink to do your dishes. And again, of course, more cabinet storage up above the sink. You've got some nice little cubbies here to help store your stuff. Wow, quite a bit of space down there underneath the sink as well. I did notice you've got some USB charging stations over there on the wall. Those are 12 volts, so even if you're not plugged in to shore power, you can always charge your cell phones or devices. Up here you do have the entertainment center, your TV, DVD and CD player, and again some nice more storage above and below. Moving into the bathroom. It's a bathroom. There's a toilet, nice little tub, nice kitchen, or nice countertop space to store your stuff and get ready in the morning, get ready for your camping. Up front, you've got the bedroom, of course. Nice hanging wardrobes on either side. Plenty of room. It's nice that these cabinets don't go all the way down, so you've got room to store some stuff there, whether it's setting your cell phone or an alarm clock or whatever else you may set. You've got 2 drawers on either side. Again, nice for storing places, storing things. Getting more overhead storage. Fold up some clothes and put them in there. You've got a vent in here in the bedroom, so good airflow with both windows and a separate door into the bedroom. Of course, you've got more storage under the bed that's attached to that full pass-through storage. Again, my name's Casey Sanguins. I'd love to show you this trailer or any other trailers we may have in inventory, so give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.